Okay, so welcome to this video on DRG number 68 SolidWorks modeling. So this is the question we're doing in class. Okay, three spheres, they're beach balls, A, B, C. A and B touch, and their center line is parallel to the vertical plane. We have to draw them in plan and find the projections of their point contact. And then part B, we have to draw the projections of the third sphere, radius 25 mil, which is in mutual contact with them both. So that's a picture of the solution technically. Here's an example of what we're going to end up with. Alright, here. So these are the two yellow spheres, are construction ones for the sphere when they're put into its correct final position. Okay, so for anyone not in my class that I teach, you're welcome to look at this video to see how the question works, alright, in 3 dimensions, right. Okay, so I'm going to start by making sphere A and sphere B, alright. So their centers are parallel to the vertical plane. So I'm going to go reference geometry plane, select the portion of the vertical plane, and I'm going to type in 60. Okay, I'm going to rename this spheres with centers. I meant to say rename it planes for centers. So I'm going to click the plane, Control 8. I'm going to go sketch, circle. I'm going to draw two circles. Okay, I'm going to click the two circles. So click one, hold Control, click the other, make tangent. Click one, hold Control, click the other, make tangent. Do the same here. Click one, hold Control, hit the horizontal plane, make tangent, because it says they rest on the horizontal plane. Now, smart dimension, okay, 110 for diameter, so the big one is radius 55, small one is radius 35, so diameter 70. Okay, now, center point to the end vertical plane, I'm going to make 110. Okay, center line now, I'm going to draw a center line through here. I'm going to click the circle on the right. I'm going to make construction geometry. L for line. Let's draw a line down there. Go up to trim entities. Trim the closest. Click on keep trimmed entities as construction geometry. Features, revolve boss base. I'm going to hit in here. Clear that and select the center line. And I know it's not going to work there for me because there's another little bit I need to move away. It's that little line there. So features, revolve boss base, click OK. Now, rename that. Right click, appearance, sphere A, we'll make it red. Then I can just hit the plus there, right click, show the sketch. Then for centers, sketch, convert entities, click that one there, click OK, center line from the bottom right up to the top, Control 8. There we go, trimmed entities, cut away the right hand side, L for line, close it off, features, revolve boss base, tick OK. There'll still be two bodies. Right click, appearance, okay, green. Then we're going to rename the sphere sphere B. Now we're going to put an axis through each of them. So we're going to show that sketch, reference geometry axis, axis there. Enter brings up the command again, okay, for speed, and then we have axis of sphere A. And then axis of sphere B. Right, so we're going to do the first part, project a plan of the two spheres showing clearly how the point contact is determined between the two spheres. Okay, I'm also going to project an elevation. Right, I'm going to turn off the sketch for sphere A and sphere B. I'm going to go sketch, vertical plane, convert entities. I'm going to get my mouse here, hold down the roll button of the mouse a little bit, hold down control then. I'm not actually on sketch, so nothing is coming up for me. So onto the vertical plane, or the front plane as you might know it, sphere A, and then when you see this symbol here, just there, hold down control, sphere B, and press convert entities. Now, L for center or line, and change it to center line, and we join them together. Now the point of contact lies right there. So the key principle is that point of contact between two circles lies in a line joining their centers. Okay, we're going to exit our sketch. Okay, we're going to rename that elevation of A and B with point of contact. Then we're going to click our horizontal plane, our top plane. Okay, we're going to press sketch, convert entities. So we're going to select the extreme generator there. Now we're going to do the same. You can see it's running in through the red. So we're going to click that, convert. Now trim entities. Okay, and if we click this here, there the construction geometry is representing the hidden detail. Okay, and now we have to get our point of contact in plan. So center line. Okay, it's going to start in there, draw a center line. I'm going to click the point now, hold control, click that one, make vertical. Okay, it's gone red because there's an overdefined relation there of no, I didn't want that, hitting the co-radial, these two, the coincidence, that's what's hitting it. Now, control 8, the center line, join the center of sphere A to sphere B, and our point of contact lies on that line we just drew. So hold control, click that point of contact and center line. There's the point of contact in plan, with appropriate hidden and heavy details. Okay, we're going to rename that plan of A and B. And we're going to change the sketch color. Right click sketch color. Okay, and we can make it pink. Let's save our work. Now, part B, draw the projections of the third sphere, radius in 25mm, which is in mutual contact with the two spheres and rests on the horizontal plane. So here's it when it's done. And you can see these green circles out to the side showing their instruction to be set up on establishing the point of contact between the third sphere and sphere A, and then respectively with sphere B on the right hand side, and finding the point of contact. Then we have to rotate it into the correct position in plan, and these arcs represent the points of contact between sphere C and sphere A and B respectively being rotated. So we're going to begin. Alright, so we're going to click our plane for centers. Okay, sketch, circle. Want to draw on a circle, click control, hold down or click the circle, hold control, click the sphere, make tangent. I'm going to click the circle, hold control, I'm going to select the horizontal plane and say make tangent. Now that can get bigger or smaller, needs a radius. Smart dimension, okay, diameter 50. Okay, center line. The center line running from top to bottom. Line to close off into a semicircle. Trimmed entities. Okay, we just need a semicircle to project it over. Center line, join the two centers. Into contact lies right here, where the point of contact lies in a line joining the two centers when two spheres or circles touch. Now, features, revolve boss base, axis of revolution, there we go, click OK. Rename this sphere C, construction, position on LHS. So it's out to the side there, and we'll rotate it into the final position shortly. We're going to repeat the same process on the right hand side with sphere B. So plane for centers, control 8, sketch on that, circle there, click it, hold control, that one there, make tangent, same again, make tangent, smart dimension, diameter 50, L for line, join the centers. Ooh, that looks a bit too big. Did I say that was radius? I might have put that as a radius 35, right, I think I did. So I'm going to exit the sketch, go back to sphere B, right click, edit the sketch, okay, smart dimension, it's going to go black, or it's going to go red rather, sorry, so control Z there, I'm going to click it, co-radial right, so that's the wrong one, I have to go to sphere A, edit the sketch, so that should be diameter 80, or diameter 90 rather. No, diameter 80 was fine. Exit the sketch. There we go, we're all good. I'll just check for any errors. Diameter 70. So I have on my drawing here in AutoCAD. It'd be diameter 70, and this was diameter 55. Okay, so our diameter 110, radius 55. So there's nothing wrong there. Now back to this. Right click, edit the sketch. Here's our point of contact. Going to turn that into construction. That line is blue. Snapped it onto the circle. Center line. Down from the center up. Line. Trim entities. Okay, it doesn't matter what side. Features, revolve boss base. Okay, axis of revolution. Now, I'm going to take this name, put it here, and change this to RHS. So now we need to rotate this into its correct position. We need to rotate the points of contact. So we're going to turn on the sketch here, turn on that sketch too. We're going to go to our horizontal plane, Control 8. We're going to press sketch, okay, convert entities. So we're going to select the whole of sphere A. Now we're going to select the whole of sphere B. Get that construction detail as well. Now we're going to go circle, put the center out of sphere A to the center of sphere C in the construction position. And likewise sphere B. So we're going to draw a circle out from sphere A, center of sphere B. Now, the sphere is being rotated into this position. Now we also need to find our point of contact. Right, so we're going to go sketch, circle, let's go somewhere out to here. Okay, and click the circle, hold control, make coincident. There we go. That's point of contact is moving along this one. Likewise, we're going to do circle, center of sphere B. Okay, we're going to click that circle, hold control, get this point of contact, make coincident. Now, so this is our rotation of the sphere on the right hand side. Click that, hold control, make coincident, Control 8. Now, sphere C now is going to move along these arcs to there, to where they intersect. Diameter is 50. Point of contact lies along the line joining the centers. So sphere A to the center of C. Here's the point of contact right there on that one. Can trim a lot of these arcs because it makes it confusing. So I can turn off keep entities. Okay, I can't do anything until I put in a center line. Well, I can do it, it just makes it easier. So I'm going to put in a center line there, then trim entities. I'm going to cut away, circle there at the top, the inside, okay, there, likewise. So now that's where they intersect for sphere C. Now center line, join that center, and here's our point of contact between sphere C and sphere B. And then we'll have put in our heavy and hidden detail now in a moment. Now we're going to watch how sphere C is created. Okay, right. I'm going to go exit my sketch. I'm going to say rotation, sphere C. I'm going to go features, reference geometry, axis, point, interface, and plane. So point is that, plane is this. I'm going to rename that axis from UC. Now, I'm going to type in move when commands the black box. Select the black box, type in move, so copy bodies, bodies to move. It's one sphere, rotate, okay, this one here. So we're going to say copy, and you can see it's rotating around. We'll put on, pan view, Okay, it's not moving in the right way, so I need to clear my axis for new C. I need to select axis for B. And you can see the way it's going to rotate into its final position. Now we try to get it as accurate as we can. So 123, we leave it at 123. Okay, from right click, appearance, body, yellow. Final position of sphere C. Okay, we can hide a lot of this stuff and project the actual elevations and plan. Right, so start hiding a lot of these circles here, or sketches, as they just confuse everything now. Okay, hide that plane, hide that axis, and that axis down there. So there's the three spheres actually. So vertical plane, control and 8. So we can see what spheres we're going to see correctly. So sketch. So we're going to go convert entities. So I'm going to click that. Convert entities again. The yellow one. The blue one. Or the green one. Now trim entities. Turn this box on, look. So that one is yellow. Or sorry, that's hidden detail. Part of the red. And the part of the green in elevation. Our center line. So we know our point of contact lies in these two lines. We just don't know where exactly yet. So I would actually turn back on this sketch here, center line, bring that across there horizontally. There's my point of contact in elevation. That line in elevation actually represents that arc or rotation and plan. So that line is a portion of that circle in elevation. Now, could do the same here. So on the right hand side, center line, bring across the point of contact. There's our point of contact in elevation. Okay, and then we'll put in all our construction work there. We'll put in what has to be light lines. Then our plan view. So we can see the majority of our plan view here already. We just have to figure out what's heavy, what's hidden. Sketch, horizontal plane, convert entities. Now, our yellow sphere is underneath our red, and it's underneath our green, and then a bit more convert entities. And our green sphere is underneath our yellow, or our red sphere. So that part is construction. And then we have all our construction work over here for points of contact. And we'll change all them into light lines. And there's our plan view, and that's our question done. So thank you very much.